In today's video, we will see the use of grep command in Linux. Grep command is basically used to searching and manipulating text pattern within a file. The syntax of grep command is grep, then we need to provide the option and then the pattern and then the file name. These are some useful options we are using in grep command. We will test all these options in our lab. Let's jump to the lab and test all the options one by one. I am using CentOS for recording this lab practical. I have created one directory called grep for recording this practical. Let's enter this directory. This directory contains some files. These are three files contained by this directory, and these three files we need to use during this practical. So let's see the first option. Our first option is -c. -c display the count line that match the pattern. So if I give the option -c in grep command -c and my pattern is Unix and I want to search this Unix word in the file test.txt and if I press enter, it show me the number 2. If I get the test file test.txt file, I can see that there are 2 times the Unix word is exist in small letter because -c is a case sensitive option. Now come to the next option. Next option is -h. -h display the match line but do not display the file name. For -h, I can use the same command. Instead of -c, I just only put -h and press enter. So the output which is comes up, you can see that Unix word is highlighted. Now go to the next option. Next option is -i. -i display the match pattern despite of case sensitive. So previously we see -c is a case sensitive but -i is not case sensitive. So in the same command, if I change -i instead of -h, the output which is comes up, that is all the files, all the lines where the Unix word is present. Now go to the next option. Next option is -l. -l display list of file name only. That means that the pattern, it will display all those files. It will search all those files, match all those files in the directory and I'll give the output all those files name where the pattern is exist. Let's see. So if I use -l and my pattern is Unix, and then I need to put star. Star means enter the directory, enter all. Star means all. So it will give the output that all three files where the Unix word is present. In all these files, a Unix word is present. If I do cat test2.txt, you can see that Unix word is present, and in the pattern also pattern.txt, here also the Unix word is present. So that's why let's provide all three files name. And test.txt, you have already seen the content of test.txt. Here Unix word is already present. So now go to the next option. Next option is -n. Display the match line and their line number. So if I give -l -n and my pattern is Unix and I want to search in the file test.txt, I can see this is also case sensitive, and the word is showing Unix my pattern is showing along with the line number where this pattern is exist. Now go to the next option. Next option is -v. Display all the lines that do not match the pattern. So we can easily understand those lines are not contained the Unix in small letter. To those lines I can get as a output. So you can see this is the output. Now my next option is -e. Can use multiple pattern. Multiple pattern means if I need to provide different pattern in a single command, in that case we need to use -e. So -e, if I give -e Unix, it will show these two lines, and again if I give -e capital Unix, then it will show the capital Unix also. So that's mean if I have some several pattern or multiple pattern and I want to find all those pattern in a single command, then I can use -e option. Let's move on the next option. Next option is -a. -a basically takes the pattern from a different file and match it line by line with the actual file. That means, let me explain. I have three files. One is pattern and another is test.txt. So let me get the pattern file. Pattern file contain only the patterns, and my test.txt is my actual file where I want to search is all these pattern. So if I have lots of pattern and instead of searching one by one, I just put all those pattern in a separate file, and that separate file I am running every time to search it with my or compare it with my actual file and then get the output. So grep -f, then I need to provide the file name which contain my patterns and then the actual file. So let's give the output that Unix first letter is capital here, another Unix that is all small is present here, and another Unix word that is all capital is present here. Now move on the next option. Next option is -w. -w match the whole word. It's grep -w Unix, and then I need to provide the file name test.txt. Let's provide the output where the Unix word is present. The whole pattern is present. Now move on the next option, that is -o. Print only the match part of the matching line. -o, and if I give enter, only the match part, that means the Unix is my pattern, will be the match part. So Unix is the match part and it only gives the output the match part. Now move on the next option, and probably this is my last option. So that is -r is bring the pattern in the given directory recursively in all the file present in the directory. So to perform -r option, we need to comes out from our present working directory, which is grep. So let's do pwd command. So this is my present working directory. I am exit from this directory and run the command grep along with -R. Unix is my pattern, and then I need to provide the entire path where I need to find this pattern, and then press enter. The output is showing that all the file with their original path, that where this Unix word is present. So this concludes the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, please do comment. Thank you for watching.